Hi, good morning. Today is Monday, April the 6th, 2020. This is just a 3-day school week for us because you will start spring break on Thursday of this week. So we just have lessons on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So just 3 days this week. So you guys are almost there to spring break. This week is going to be a little bit different than how it's been, and I want to go over that this morning. That's my main goal in this morning meeting is to go over that. So hopefully your parents are around too, so they can hear this because some of your directions are a little bit different this week. I will still be posting additional videos or information up on Facebook for math and reading each day, but we are following along with day 11 on this packet. Many of you picked up the packet at school, and you're still able to pick it up today, tomorrow, and Wednesday at Shamrock Gardens also. I know I spoke with a few parents, and I'm going to mail that packet to a few of you guys. I also have sent out the link. It was on Facebook on Friday, the link to this packet as well. If you have the link to the packet, or if you have the packet in hand, all the pages, if you have the packet actually in hand, your pages are on the back, like the work pages, and it says day 11 or day 12, whatever. Day 11 is where we are starting, okay? So I just wanted to show you guys that. That's where we're getting this information from. For the reading and the math lessons, if you do not have a packet, or if you have not printed out the pages to the packet, I'm going to ask that you keep track of your work inside of your notebook, okay? So I got this great idea from one of our parents that, just put a notebook titled put the date on the page, and then this is reading, and then on the back of this page, you could do your math work. And each day, this is so important, guys, that each day you're putting the date and the title of what you're working on inside of your notebook, okay? So that I can give you credit for doing it, okay? And I believe that's it, guys. Reach out to me. This goes to all my scholars and parents. If you have any questions, reach out to me throughout the day. Anytime you have any questions on trying to figure this stuff out, but I will have additional videos posted for reading and for math on what you should be doing. But please, guys, just keep track of your work. Okay, I want to see your work. You've got a journal at home. Use that. Also, I love when you put pictures up on Facebook and show me your work as well. Okay, so have a great day of work, and know that we only have 3 days this week, and then you're going to get some relaxation time. Have a great day.